Hi, I'm Brenda from the Antwerp Sunshine Branch of the Van Buren District Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little decoupage Easter egg. And at each of our branches you will find a kit available, and inside your kit you will have a wooden egg, a napkin, a string of self-adhesive pearl beads, and 2 lengths of ribbon and an instruction page. And the first thing you're going to do is to take your napkin, and your napkin will have these cute little roses on them, and you'll tear out one of the designs. And your napkin is 2-ply, and you're only going to need the top part of the napkin that has your design on it. And so you'll tear that apart, take away that white part, and you might want to just reshape your napkin piece so that it will fit how you want it on your egg. And I'm going to trim this down just a bit more. And then you're going to take your Mod Podge, and if you don't have any Mod Podge, a solution of 2 parts glue and 1 part water will work just as well. And you'll coat the front part of your egg and lay your design on it, and just gently push it down and get all the wrinkles out. And when you have it just the way you want it, you're going to give it another coat of Mod Podge and just gently put that on there so you don't tear your napkin. And then you're going to let that dry maybe 10-15 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. And I happen to have one here that's all ready. So then you're going to take your pearl beads, and they just pull off that strip. And you're going to just lay those around your design, and they come off really easily, so if you don't like the shape you can just pull it right back off. And you'll probably have some excess pearls, so you can just clip those off right there where they meet, and then just really push them down so that they'll stick to your egg. And it should look something like that. And then you're going to take the shorter ribbon and take a glue gun, or if you just have glue you can just put a dab of glue on top, and put your ribbon down so that it will make a loop. And then you'll take your longer ribbon and make that into a bow. And again, put some more glue down right where your ribbons meet, and that's where I put my bow. So then it should look something like that. Then you can either trim your ribbon a little bit, or what I did was take a little bit more glue and just take the ends of my ribbon and make them curl up just a bit. And that's all there is to it. See how easy and cute that is. And again, all the kits will be available at our branches, and I would love to see what yours look like. So in the comments section, if you want to take a picture and add it to this video, I'd love to see them. And again, thanks for watching. Bye.